BlabbyAI is the latest speech-to-text AI tool making waves in the market. And today, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this software, especially if you're considering trying it out. I'll walk you through all the features, benefits, and what makes BlabbyAI stand out from the crowd. First things first, BlabbyAI offers an incredibly accurate and seamless transcription experience. Unlike many other tools out there, it can handle multiple accents and languages with ease. If you've ever had issues with your speech-to-text software misunderstanding certain words or phrases, BlabbyAI seems to do a much better job at picking up on nuances and delivering crisp, clear transcriptions. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just need a reliable transcription tool, this software could be a game changer. You can try BlabbyAI completely free from the first link below, so make sure to check it out after this video. Trust me, it's worth a shot, and I'll explain why in just a moment. Now, one of the key features you'll appreciate about BlabbyAI is its real-time transcription. You can start speaking, and it will immediately transcribe your words as you go, making it ideal for interviews, meetings, or content creation where time is of the essence. Plus, it doesn't require constant internet access. That means if you're on the go or in areas with spotty internet, you can still rely on BlabbyAI to keep up with your speech without interruptions. Another standout feature is its built-in editing tools. Once your text is transcribed, you can easily edit the output right within the platform. Whether it's correcting a mistake or reformatting your transcription for better readability, this saves you a ton of time, especially when compared to other transcription software that requires you to export and edit in separate programs. But it doesn't stop there. BlabbyAI has strong compatibility with multiple platforms. If you're a content creator using YouTube or a podcaster who needs transcriptions for captions, this software integrates smoothly into your workflow. It can also handle exporting transcriptions in various formats, whether you're looking for a simple text file or a more complex format for a specific project. For those of you worried about accuracy, BlabbyAI comes with an advanced AI model that continuously improves. Its accuracy isn't just about understanding speech, it's about learning from mistakes and fine-tuning its algorithms over time. This is something many older or more traditional transcription services still struggle with. On top of that, the pricing for BlabbyAI is extremely competitive. For those who don't need heavy-duty transcription services daily, there's a very affordable free version that gives you access to the core features. But if you want to unlock more advanced capabilities, such as longer transcription durations and enhanced editing, the paid tiers are priced reasonably. The software is definitely built with small businesses and individuals in mind, offering flexibility that larger, more expensive services can't. One more thing to note is BlabbyAI's customer support. For a newer product, their response time and helpfulness have been top-notch, which is a huge plus in an industry where customer service can sometimes feel like an afterthought. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or looking for advice on how to use a specific feature, BlabbyAI's support team is quick to help you get back on track. So, after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that BlabbyAI offers a blend of affordability, ease of use, and powerful features that set it apart from many of its competitors. It's ideal for anyone who needs fast, accurate transcriptions with minimal hassle. To get your hands on BlabbyAI and start using it for free, don't forget to check out the link in the description. And if you're interested in exploring more AI tools that can help boost your productivity and efficiency, I've got my recommended software listed there as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.